Hey y'all, it's me, Ian. Welcome to another Snavis Unscripted. Which one is this one? The 40th? I think. I think this is number 40. Let me check really quickly. Episode 30, episode 39. Yes, this is episode 40. Yeah. So, let me give y'all a little backstory. It's story time. In 6th grade, me and Ismail, we were both wanting to do a song for Pop Show. Not together, just we wanted to do solos, alright? And he wanted to do this. I was thinking of a song called It's Time. I think you all know that one by Imagine Dragons. And then he wanted to do something like, I don't know, I forgot what he wanted to do. What did he want to do? I forgot. He wanted to do like a I forgot what he wanted to do, really. But he wanted to do a different song. But I don't know what it was. I'll ask him. Yeah, I don't know what he wanted to do. But he was thinking of doing a different song. I don't know what it was. So I was doing It's Time. Oh, I was thinking of doing It's Time. But I was also thinking of doing Daylight. And as you may already know, I posted a video like in May or June with my performance of me singing Daylight. And earlier, before that, he actually changed his mind about doing that one song that he thought. He was actually thinking of doing It's Time too. So, we got in a mix. Hey, I'm doing that. I want to audition for that song. He's like, but I want to audition that song too. But that's a month before Pop Show was a thing. Or Pop Show was on. Then in May, the month before Pop Show, he's all like, hey, I'm not doing It's Time anymore, so you can do that if you want. And I'm like, well, too late, I'm already doing Daylight. So what do you plan on doing? And then he's all like, well, there's this one song called Radioactive. Have you heard it? And I'm like, no, I haven't. He's like, you should listen to it, because that's the song I'm going to do for Pop Show. And, well, when I got home, I listened to it, and I loved it. It was my favorite song for the time. It was my alarm. It was my ringtone. It was everything. So he ended up performing in the main show while I was in the pre-show. Yeah, that just goes to show you how much of a better singer than he was than me. This was all in 6th grade. And then you're like, so what does this have to do about Counting Stars being your new favorite song? Well, it's only November. Pop Show's in June. You know what he's thinking about doing? Pop Show? He's thinking about doing Counting Stars. And I'm like, so what are you thinking of doing for Pop Show? And he's all like, no, I was thinking of the new One Republic song, Counting Stars, and I'm like, I haven't heard it. He's like, you should, it's a good song. And, well, again, I heard it, and now it's my favorite song. I listen to it every single day. It's my new favorite song. I mean, seriously, I want to sing it. It's a great song. And I want to do it for Pop Show. And I heard he doesn't want to really do it anymore because he wants to try other songs. And then, well, yeah, that's the song I want to do. So, yeah, but truth be told, I should probably wait, because there's probably going to be a lot more pop songs to come out between now and June, and one's probably going to be one of my favorite songs again. But right now, we're going to search the top 100, just so I can show you guys where my favorite song is Landing. Royal stays there, Wrecking Ball went up. Whoa, 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 whoa. The monster just, what? Roar, went down, Wake Me Up, went down straight. Just, hold on. Yeah. Demons went up, but Counting Stars went down. Shoot. So yeah. That's pretty much it, and yeah, I just love Counting Stars. It's like my new favorite song. So yeah, that's it for this episode, and next time, the idiot strikes back. See you guys next time.